YouTube has become one of the most commonly used video platforms in the world as social media is becoming more popular. Many people see YouTube as a way of sharing their creativities and ideas, while others consider YouTube to be a way of making money. One of the common ways of making money from YouTube is through monetization, which involves ads playing on your videos, and at the end of the day, you will be given something based on your views. But the truth is, it usually takes a long time and effort to qualify for monetization. And so one begins to wonder, is there any other way of making money from YouTube without monetization? The good news is, there are several other ways of making money from YouTube without monetization. In this video, I am going to share with you 5 different ways of making money from YouTube without monetization and what you need to do to start earning from YouTube right away. To begin, give us a like, subscribe, and let's dive right in. Number 1 way we want to talk about is selling your own products and services. What product do you have to sell, or what services are you rendering to the people? Do you have a physical product or do you have a digital product? Maybe you own a supplement that you want to sell. What is it that you have to sell? Do you have ebooks to sell? Do you have courses to sell? Do you own an electronic stores? Or maybe you own a grocery stores? What is it that you have to sell? Do you have something like these supplements that you can sell? Why not start making videos about these your products? And at the end of your video, remember to include in the description section of your videos the link to either your website or the locations where these your stores are located. In this way, you will be sending your viewers to your locations to buy directly from you or to buy directly from your website, and you will be making money from YouTube without monetization. Another powerful way of making money from YouTube without monetization is promoting your affiliate marketing. See, we will be making a big mistake, or we will be missing something very big if we don't talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways of making money online. Yes, and you can use your YouTube videos to promote your affiliate products. Once you sign up to a program, you'll be given a link. All you need to do is to use this link to get familiar with the product you want to promote. And after getting familiar with this product, use those information to create a short video about these products. Some of these programs carries videos about this product in the description section of the products. You can watch this video completely to understand what product you are about to sell to people or to promote. And at the end, use this information to create your own unique video. Upload them to your video channel. And at the end, make sure that you include the link to this product in the video description section of your videos. You can even make it a pinned post in the comment section of your videos. And so that while your viewers will be viewing your videos, they will also be using this link to buy directly from you. And at the end, you will be earning commission from promoting these products on YouTube. That is another powerful way of making money from YouTube without monetization. The third way we want to talk about is through partnership and brand deals. There are a lot of brands looking for influencers and promoters of their products in order to make sales. You can reach out to any of these brands depending on your niche to start promoting their products. You could either make your videos in form of a shout out. Let me explain. Maybe while making your videos, you could say something like, thanks to so and so, you mention the name of the product or the brand you are promoting. And don't forget that before you start promoting, you will have to make a deal or a kind of agreement with the brand on percentage that you will be paid. So that while you will be promoting their products on your platform, at the end of it, you will be paid what you've agreed on. Again, you could decide to integrate their videos, their product description videos into your videos. Or you could decide to read about the brand and every information about the product you are about to promote on your platform. And then use the information to make video about the product and then upload to your channel. Once that is done, you will be paid based on the commission you've agreed on. In this way, money will keep coming to your pocket without you getting monetized on YouTube. That is another powerful way of making money on YouTube without monetization. You could decide to start with a small brand and later scale up to bigger ones. Maybe you could offer to promote this product for free initially, and then after some time you decide to charge for your promotion. This could be another way of encouraging other brands to come to you for promotion. In this way, you will constantly be making money from YouTube without monetization. The fourth way is lead generation for a business. Let's say you are a fitness coach, for example. You have a fitness program, maybe a consultant services that you do offer to people. Now, many persons do not know about this your program. So for you to start getting clients to your online coaching or consultant services, you could either make a videos telling them about where or the platform where this your consultant services is taking place, so that while your viewers be viewing your videos, they will now be directed to the platform or where maybe physical locations where this services is taking place. In this way, you are sending directly your viewers from YouTube to where you do perform consultant services or coaching services. And then remember that people that will be coming to you are those that are paid for this program. These are the only ones you will be given access to. Or maybe you have any other skill in a specific field. Why not start offering a personalized services in that your field? And so people will now be contacting you for their personalized service. In this way, you will be making money directly from YouTube without monetization. Initially, you can decide to charge little or no money. After some time, you can now charge based on the services on their behalf. The fifth way is through hosting a webinar or workshop on YouTube. Let's say, for example, you are a YouTuber and you truly understand how YouTube works and how YouTube algorithm works. Now, there are newer YouTubers looking for ways to make money from YouTube or looking to understand the game of YouTube. So I am just using YouTube as an example. This could also happen in any other field. So for the fact that these new YouTubers are looking to understand what really happens on YouTube and how they can, begin making money on YouTube, you could decide to take them on training. How do you do this? After they must have accepted to pay a certain amount you want to charge from them, you can now take them on a live section, giving them the training that they need to understand what really happens on YouTube and what they need to know about YouTube to start making money. In this way, your educational videos will now turn to a way of making money from YouTube. Remember, while you are making these videos to educate your listeners or your students who is willing to undergo this training to understand how YouTube works, they must have paid before you are giving them access to this program. So through webinars and workshops, you could be making money on a consistent basis from YouTube without getting monetized. You could decide to offer this program either once a month or twice a month, depending on your schedule. And then after doing this, you charge them a specific amount, and this can continue from time after time, and then you keep making money from YouTube without monetization. Remember, this method I'm sharing with you are a proven method that is already working. People are using it to make money for themselves. You could also try any of these that suits your schedule. The truth remains that whether you are totally new on YouTube or you are being on YouTube for a longer time, you can start making money directly from YouTube without monetization. Which of these methods would you like to try? We'd like to hear from you in the comment section. So, if you've been thinking of making money from YouTube without monetization, with this information shared already, I believe you are fully ready to get this started. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.